Below is RGBW wall mount remote function. Receivers have set as RGBW type through deep switch. RGB off, RGB on. Coloring for RGB channel static colors. Long press BS to gradualize dim down RGB channel. Long press plus to gradualize dim up RGB channel. There are total 9 dynamic modes. Long press BS to speed down the changing. Long press plus to speed up the changing. Off RGB channel. On off for W channel. Long press BS to gradualize dim down W channel. Long press plus to dim up W channel. With excellent wireless sync control function, multi-pieces receivers could be controlled at the same time.